Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for FEMA hazard mitigation grants to protect your home from future disasters, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these important resources. Step 1. Understand that FEMA hazard mitigation grants are typically distributed through state and local governments, not directly to individuals. Contact your state emergency management agency to learn about available programs. Step 2. Determine which grant program applies to your situation. Options include the Hazard Mitigation Grant Program, available after disasters, pre-disaster mitigation grants, or flood mitigation assistance for flood-prone properties. Step 3. Check if your community participates in FEMA mitigation programs and has an approved hazard mitigation plan. Your local emergency management office can provide this information. Step 4. Work with your local government to submit a project application. Individual homeowners typically cannot apply directly, but must work through their local or state emergency management agency. Step 5. Identify the specific mitigation measures you need, such as elevating your home above flood levels, installing storm shutters, retrofitting for earthquakes, or creating defensible space against wildfires. Step 6. Provide documentation of your property's vulnerability to hazards, including flood zone maps, previous damage documentation, and cost estimates for mitigation work from licensed contractors. Step 7. Ensure your project meets FEMA's benefit cost ratio requirements, demonstrating that the mitigation will save more in future disaster costs than it costs to implement. Step 8. If your project is selected, work closely with your local government and contractors to complete the work according to FEMA requirements and maintain proper documentation for reimbursement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.